Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to OneMain Financial. Make payments online step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and make sure your internet connection is stable. Type OneMain Financial. Comment to the address bar and press enter. On the home page, look for the Sign In or Login button near the top of the page. Click the Sign In or Login button to open the login page. If you already have an online account, enter your username in the username field. Enter your password carefully in the password field. Double-check for typos and make sure caps lock is not on. Click the Sign In button to access your OneMain Financial account. If you forgot your username or password, select the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity and reset your login details. If you do not have an online account yet, choose the option to register or enroll. Enter the required personal information such as your name, date of birth, and social security details if requested. Create a username and a strong password, then confirm them as instructed. Set up security questions or verification options so you can recover your account later. Complete any verification step, such as receiving a code by text or email and entering it on the site. After logging in, go to the main dashboard and locate the Payments or Make a Payment section. Click Make a Payment to start the online payment process. Select the loan or account you want to pay if you have more than one listed. Choose your payment amount, such as the minimum due, full amount, or a custom amount. Select the payment date, and pick today or schedule a future date if scheduling is available. Choose a payment method, usually a bank account, debit card, or other available option. If you are using a bank account for the first time, click Add Bank Account and enter routing and account numbers. Confirm the bank account details and select the account type, such as checking or savings. Review the payment details on the confirmation screen, including amount, date, and payment source. Read any disclosures or fees shown on the page before submitting your payment. Click Submit, Pay Now, or Confirm Payment to finalize the transaction. Wait for the confirmation message and save the confirmation number or take a screenshot for your records. Log out of your account when finished, especially if you are using a shared or public device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.